Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about tiny powerhouses that you might have seen popping up everywhere, from your smoothies to your puddings. These little guys are called chia seeds, and trust me, they might be small, but they are absolutely mighty, especially when it comes to boosting your energy. Think of chia seeds as nature's tiny battery packs. For centuries, these seeds were a staple food, especially for ancient warriors and messengers who needed sustained energy for long journeys. Why? Because they're absolutely loaded with nutrients that your body loves, all designed to keep you feeling full, focused, and energized throughout the day. One of the main reasons chia seeds are so great for energy is their incredible fiber content. Just a small serving packs a huge amount of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. When you eat chia seeds, especially when they've soaked up some liquid, they form a gel-like consistency in your stomach. This gel slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, meaning the sugar from your food gets released into your bloodstream more gradually. This avoids those sudden sugar spikes and crashes that leave you feeling tired and sluggish. Instead, you get a steady, sustained release of energy, keeping you going strong without the jitters. It's like having a slow-burning fuel source for your body. But it's not just fiber. Chia seeds are also a fantastic source of healthy fats, specifically omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that your body can't make on its own, and they're crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and even supporting your energy levels by improving overall cellular function. Think of omega-3s as the lubricant that keeps your body's machinery running smoothly and efficiently. Plus, these little seeds are surprisingly rich in protein. Protein is another key nutrient for energy, as it helps build and repair tissues, and like fiber, it also contributes to feelings of fullness and satiety. When you combine fiber, healthy fats, and protein, you have a winning trio that keeps hunger at bay and energy levels stable, preventing that mid-afternoon slump. Chia seeds are also packed with important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which play a role in energy production and overall well-being. And the best part? They're super easy to incorporate into your diet. You can sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or even make delicious chia seed puddings. They absorb liquid and expand, making them incredibly versatile. So, if you're looking for a natural, sustained energy boost without relying on caffeine or sugary snacks, give chia seeds a try. They're a simple yet powerful way to nourish your body and keep you feeling vibrant all day long. What's your favorite way to use chia seeds? Let me know in the comments below.